In this video, you're going to see real wedding group settings. So bridal party, bridesmaids, groomsmen, family photos, and from both indoor and outdoor photos. So you'll be able to see my camera settings as well as lighting and everything else you could possibly want to know about how I direct groups for both traditional and more fun, candid feel photos. This is just a compilation of a few different weddings, all of which we have full wedding behind the scenes videos up on Photo Insiders. Photo Insiders is a photography platform where you have educational videos coming out, an active online community, as well as live group calls every single month. You're going to love everything that's in this video and even more what's on there. So be sure to check out thephotoinsiders.com. Now to the video.
So girls, just come spread around so some of you can like sit here, over there. You're going to be right next to her. Some of you will be standing here, here, here.
Do you prefer like tall in the back or does it really matter?
I'm going to let you do you guys are not like drastic heights, so you're pretty good, and then I'll move you around as you get there. So everyone's going to turn into Christine. If you have a slit, that's amazing. We love to see that. Obviously, that means everyone on this side and no one on this side. We'll switch that up, don't worry. So flatten, lower your flowers to here, and make sure your elbow isn't forward, you want it back. So that might mean pulling your shoulder back on this side.
Hey, no,
even more. That's it. Okay. And I just need this chair to go away.
You're amazing.
I'm
just saying.
Thank you.
To say.
Yeah, all right.
That looks good. All right, perfect. So this is our nice traditional one. Good, ready, 1, 2, 3. That looks so good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the traditional like we have to have, but now we need to make this like way sexier. So basically every other person just like turn the other direction to start. So like you can turn towards them. Maybe the two of you turn towards each other. So like the maid of honor and right next to, yep, good. And then you two both turn that way. Yeah, that looks good. Then you two are like kind of hanging out. Awesome. So now just act like you're taking a selfie and you're about to go for like either your pose this way, you can go this way, you can hang on to someone. And your flowers now, you did it, that's perfect. You could drop them down, you could put them here, they can go across. So just the idea is don't do the same thing as the person next to you. So like both your flowers are down. That's it, good. Yes, yes. This is so good. All right, so looking at me for 1, 1, 2, 3. And then everyone, no smiling, just staring. Perfect. And then everyone look at someone else. Smile at everyone. Perfect. And then everyone just get together, kind of like for a sorority picture, like getting it in. That's it. Cute. Love that. Okay, we're gonna add the guys. So groomsmen, you're gonna get next to the person you walk down the aisle with. All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then everyone look at someone, talk to them. So guys, everyone turning towards Vincent and then hands in your pants pockets for the first one. That's awesome. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Don't smile. Don't smile. Good. All right, you can look at me doing a smiling one. Nice. Now everyone, you want to do something different with your hands. So let me show you some options. Yeah, exactly. So you could do one hand in the lapel. You could do both hands in the lapel, one hand in the pocket, crossing your arms, one hand, one in, one out. Just don't do what the person next to you is doing. All right, so no smiling for this one. Good. And then you guys, you're gonna walk towards me and rotate between all those things I just told you. So like hand in the pocket, then do the button, then go here. I know, so many instructions. So many instructions.
Can we like unbutton, maybe throw them off?
Unbutton. Yeah. Yep, 1, 2, 3, go.
Alright, where we walking? Friday night.
Exactly.
Saturday, Sunday, hope. Hey, Friday night. Saturday, Sunday, hope.
Awesome. All right, good. So look in here at me. And then look towards someone. Cute. And then everyone look towards the bride and groom because they're gonna kiss in front of everyone. There you go. Cute. Love that. So this is our traditional one first. So just looking towards me. Good. 1, 2, 3. And then look at each other. Love it. And then get real close. Squish it in. Nice. And look at me. You all did that like robots all at one time. Good. And now we'll just shake it up. So kind of stand almost independently of each other. And then just like get in the stance that feels like comfy, sexy to you. That looks good. Take a baby step backwards on this side. Yep. Good. Yeah. And you could like play with your dress. Your hand can go here. Yeah. Play with the necklace, hair. Love that. And then everyone look anywhere but at the camera. So kind of like look down. Nice. And then look somewhere else. Cute. And then back at me, but don't smile. Good. And then get a little closer together. And then girls, you're gonna pick up like the back of her train so everyone can like pick it up and help her just walk. Love it. You can smile about it maybe. You're like, holy crap, the dress. Perfect. Drop her there and then you girls stay where you are and just you're in the background just kind of holding your flowers. Yeah. So you guys are props. And you could just look towards Jess or look anywhere else. Good. And then Jessica, look at me again. And then just like give yourself a little swish. Yeah. Love it. Look down at your dress a few times. Perfect. Before we get any further in this video, let me tell you about this video sponsor, Squarespace. I have been using Squarespace for probably over a decade. Squarespace is a platform where you can create beautiful custom websites in just a few minutes. Choose from a plethora of templates where you can easily plug and play your own work. It's an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. We all know that an online presence is crucial for your brand, so build one that stands out. Head over to this link for my exclusive 10% discount on your first domain at Squarespace. Now back to the video. I think this looks really good. Yeah. All right, so come on in. The hardest part of all this is Joseph's gonna come right there. So I think maybe Gab, if you get up for a second, let her in. And then, yep. So for those of you who are in the back, you can't show me attitude with like hips and legs, you wanna do it with shoulders. So like pick like, always like shoulder uneven. Most important, you're gonna hold really still because it's a really slow exposure. So no smiling. That looks awesome, stay there. And then wherever you are, give me like kind of a side eye. Who's trying so hard not to laugh right now? All right, looking right here. And 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. The guy behind you, is he hiding on purpose or? 1, 2, 3. All right, all the ladies, you're gonna put your flowers down here. Make sure like you show that slit through. Right there, good. All right, everyone's looking at me. Beautiful. Good, and now everyone just switch it up. So some of you can turn the other way. Now you could face totally towards me. You could like let a foot out and then pretend like it's a photo booth. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, pose, 1, 2, 3, pose, and change it up. Ready, 1, 2, 3, pose. 1, 2, 3, pose. 1, 2, 3, pose. Perfect, and then everyone just like squish it together really fast. Beautiful. So this is the really traditional one. You're all gonna look at me. All the guys, you can put your hands in your pant pocket. Good, all the ladies, if you have a slit, I wanna see it. See your legs, see your shoe. That's it, good. Awesome, looking here, 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, then everyone talk to each other. I'm gonna back up. Can you come back for a little bit? Thanks. Good, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now we're gonna add siblings and grandparents are here, yeah. Right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good, perfect, one more. And then we're gonna add aunts, uncles, cousins, whoever's left, come on into this. That looks good, all right. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good, so the trick is everyone just look at me, even though they're crying. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Oh, good job, perfect, good. And everyone look at each other. We did that, that's amazing. So for this one, you want to really give me like your most dramatic, serious Stance. Do not smile. Everyone, like, side-eye me. So don't dead on. Side-eye me somewhere. Yep. So everyone's going to do hands in your pants pocket for the first one.
Oh, pants pocket.
Pants pocket. It might be true. All right, looking at me. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to vary up where you are. So some of you can kind of turn the opposite way of Steve. Maybe on this side, you could turn that way. Good, you guys this way. Nice. You just want to kind of loosen it up a little. And then you're all gonna loosen where your hands are. So your options, you could put one hand in your pocket. You could pretend like you're buttoning. You could do like, pretend like you're doing your cufflinks. You could cross your arms. You could check the time. You could hold your lapel, like right here is a nice GQ type look. So looking at me and no smiling, serious photo. Good. Steve, take a lean this way, just like a little lean. There you go, good. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right, now, all those things I just gave you suggestions to do, you're all gonna kind of alternate through them. You can like open your button, check your watch while you're walking towards us. It's kind of like patting head, rubbing belly thing. All right, but same thing, don't look at me, don't look anywhere else. You're just gonna slowly walk towards me. All right, ready? And go. Good, look around, look at someone else. Perfect, awesome. All right, guys, so you can come down a little bit, fill in on the side here, these steps.
Step or no?
Yeah. And then some of the guys go ahead to that side. Some of the girls go to that side. You're all gonna close your eyes. And on the count of 3, just open and smile for 1. And 1, 2, 3, open. Good, close your eyes again. But this time when you open, don't look at me. So left or right, or look at each other would be better. Just look at someone next to you. And 1, 2, 3, good. And then look at someone else. Perfect. On this side, you come a little closer. And then on this side, you're gonna like create a little bit more space because we're like odd even. So we wanna kind of make it look like Millie's in the middle. Josh, you're gonna put your hand in your pant pocket. Exactly. And then open up a little bit more here. So yeah, shoulders come open. And then everyone's flowers go really low so we see all the detail of your dress. So make sure your arm's still bent, like a little lower, Robin. Yes, that looks awesome. All right, so everyone's looking right here. 1, 2, 3. That's perfect. And then everyone's gonna look at each other, talk to each other, anywhere but at me. Yeah, cute. Keep going, keep talking. This was so much harder to direct before Instagram was a thing, by the way. So everyone's gonna look at David's feet. I know you wanted to do that. You're gonna line up your toes right where his are, so everyone's in a nice straight line. All of the men, you can put your hands in your pants pocket, and you kind of just put that front foot towards me, like, think like very GQ, just like laid it back. Yep, and all the ladies, we're doing what we did before. Flowers really nice and low. You're gonna hold onto your dress. Yes, that's awesome. Yep, and you can point your front foot towards me too. And that knee, girls, goes like crisscross over.
Nice and straight.
Yep, and yes, always show me your slit. Awesome, and then everyone look at each other, just like find someone to look at and love, and yep, there you go. Cute, and then everyone look at the bride and groom who are gonna have to kiss in front of you. Cute, and you guys look at each other and kiss. Awesome, there it is. 3 of you down here, not the 2 up, but the 3 of you here, take a little step that way. So like get a little closer, Marina, a little closer that way. Right there, good. And then can you, Nikki, take a step that way, but not your hubby. Your hubby stays there. There you go, good. That looks awesome. All right, perfect. So looking at me, good. And then everybody, very serious faces, but like look left, look right, look at each other, anywhere but at me, serious face. Perfect. All right, and then do one with sunglasses off. Just, you can take them off and put them in your back hand. And everyone just look at each other, anywhere but at me. Good. David, can you push back her hair again like you did before so I can see your beautiful face? Yes. Aww. cute. I would love the sun to stay in one spot. Awesome. All right, Amelia and David, you're gonna stand up for one. All right, everyone looking at me. Good. Perfect. Hey, do you like what you're watching right now? Let me tell you a secret. It's a little something I call photo insiders. There is so much more to the video that you are watching that I'm not showing you here, and I'm only showing the community at Photo Insiders. Photo Insiders is a photography education community where you can learn behind the scenes of shoots like this one and so much more. Every single month, I release a new video that teaches you the ins and outs of things like posing, lighting, flash photography, continuous lighting, and mixing them all together. You will be able to see raw photos that I take along with the settings and watch me troubleshoot my way out of situations. In Photo Insiders, I give you videos in 2 different formats. Direct education that's long form, about 15 to 20 minutes, so we can really get into the nitty-gritty, or check out the Cliffs Notes version where you will be able to learn the same concept in about half the time. This gives you the ability to learn very detailed information about the photography concept or do a quick review if needed. You'll also be able to watch behind the scenes on location shoots that are happening with real clients, not just models. In addition, every month we'll do live group coaching calls and even a few live shoots. And of course, what would a group like this be without community? The Photo Insiders group gets an exclusive community Discord channel where you will be able to download all of my bonus materials, talk to each other about specific photography concept, and within the community you'll have a place to ask your questions and then we'll answer them in live group coaching calls. Never feel lost or frustrated behind the camera again. Join us at Photo Insiders to confidently create the images that you envision every single time. I'll see you there.